I bet you've never seen a pancake recipe quite like this one before. Get ready because I'm about to blow your mind. In a mixing bowl, whisk together 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of sugar until smooth. This is gonna be so good. I can feel it in my bones. Next, add 200 milliliters of milk, 1 cup and a quarter of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla powder. Mix it all together until just combined. Now pour 1 tablespoon of batter onto a lightly oiled pan on medium heat. You want to cook these pancakes for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they re-golden hued and cooked through. And don't forget to flip them when you see bubbles start to form. While they're cooking, you can go ahead and stack them up with some syrup, some fresh fruit, or even some Nutella. Then serve it all up nice and hot. And let me know in the comments below if you're team syrup, team fruit, or team Nutella. I personally love it all. This recipe is seriously so good. It's fluffy, it's delicious, and it will make you say, I can't believe I'm eating this good of a pancake without any added sugar. You have got to try it out for yourself. And don't forget to save this video and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.